and system.ianmakalinaw.tech registration and login system. First, wala pa tayong account. Kailangan natin mag-sign up. Username, say Ian Makalinaw. Email is ianmakalinaw50@gmail.com. Sa password, then sign up. Okay, email already exists. So try natin ng bago. Email ianmakalinaw21@gmail.com. Password, and sign up. You have registered successfully. So para malaman natin kung pumasok siya sa database natin, check natin dito. Refresh lang natin. And ayun, pumasok siya. Username Ian Makalinaw, and then yung password is gumamit ng hash para ma-encrypt yung password. Then email is ianmakalinaw21@gmail.com. Then yung date kung kailan na-create. And try naman natin siyang i-login. Username is Ian Makalinaw. Ian Makalinaw. Okay. Then password. Yan. Welcome, Ian Makalinaw. Then log out ulit. And that's it for registration and login system.